Okay.
Okay.
So now CT rating you have set it to how much? To 50 amps.
50 bar 5.
Okay. Okay. So now, what is the pickup? Pickup you are setting. Pickup is equal to how much? 224 amps into 10%. Write the pickup. You go to one. Okay. Write the pickup value. Okay. What is the pickup you gave? How much you got?
46.85.
Okay. Now, please divide this pickup by 250 amps so that you get pickup in per unit value.
0.98.
Okay. Okay. So your first value is 0.987. Okay. Make it a round figure. Make it 0.987. Okay. Now, let's say you are going to select what type of relay curve now you want to plot for this. Now, this feeder will have a relay. Which one do you want to choose? In very inverse, you are inverse. You want to start with which one?
Inverse. Just inverse.
Inverse. Okay. So, in the next column, can you write the inverse equation?
Mm.
I will tell you. Go to the
It's
next
here only.
column.
1 second, sir. It's here only.
No, don't copy that. Don't copy that. Please close it. Don't copy that. Please close it.
Yes, sir.
You write equal to. So now in the WhatsApp I've sent on this one the formula. You see that k beta divided by I set to the power of alpha minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So k is your. Now here you make the next column 1 second above this 0.98. You write it as pickup. Yeah. You write that, yes, you write that as pickup. Okay, fine. Go to the next column. Next column, you write it as time multiplier setting TMS. Okay, next column, you write it as alpha.
One moment.
Okay. The next column, you write it as time T. Okay. Now TMS for the time being, you keep it as 1. Okay, you have chosen normal inverse curve, right? So
Yes,
normal
sir.
inverse curve, what is the alpha?
0.02.
Yeah, please enter that. And what is beta?
0.14.
Okay. Uh, okay, others. Okay, others, are you parallelly doing in your Excel?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm doing.
Okay, Lognathan sir is doing. And Inamulji, I think, are you traveling in the bus or office? I think Inamulji, Inamulji,
Yes, sir.
you are where? You are outside office or traveling or at home?
Yeah, I am traveling to my office.
Okay, sir. Okay, you just listen and watch. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Gauravji, Gauravji, sir, you are trying. You are open your laptop.
Yes, sir.
Excel. Are you trying to do this?
Yes, I am trying to do this, but I am also traveling, so I'm just trying to.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You are also traveling. Okay, sir. So then you can watch. No problem. For both of you, no, Idamulji and Gaurav, you try at home and later on you please call me. Any doubts are there, you call me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And who else is there? Yes. Lognathan sir, Idamul, Gaurav. Naveen Kumar ji.
Yes, sir, I'm doing parallel.
Great. Okay. Okay. So now, Pinaki ji, I will ask Naveen Kumar to share his screen. The same thing. Okay. And let us see what he's doing.
I'll have to stop recording.
Yes,
So
No, okay. You can start and.
Sir,
Uh,
actually, I am joined through phone and I have a laptop doing here.
Okay, you have joined through phone and laptop is separate. Okay, fine. Then you don't share. Then
Sir, it's better to finish by Pinaki-ji. Then we will get the
okay,
full recorded video.
full recording. Okay, sir. Okay, fine. I will take this one. Okay, Pinaki ji, continue. Okay.
okay, so what is the value for K that I can take?
Okay, K is the time multiplier setting. First you write, okay, K is time multiplier setting. So, okay, right, and then multiply that by, what is the next term? Next term is beta, multiply by beta. Okay, close your parentheses, divided by, okay, now, I is how much? Okay, just so, hold on.
I is rated current, no, sir.
We had, okay, Pinaki ji, before pickup, no? Wait, before pickup, you add one more column for I. Yeah. Just come out of the formula. Yeah. You add this as I. Okay. Now I, normally how much? Initially, let it be 1.1. First current, let it be 1.1.
You mean to say this
Make it
value or this just the raw value? 1.1%.
No, 1.1 is the per unit value. So make it 1.1. Okay, fine. Now go to the time formula. Now you write down the formula. K beta, K is your TMS, multiplied by beta. Yeah, and divided by I by I set. You make it power off, make it power off, because I by I set will have this one, no? What do you call that? I forgot the word. What do you call that? It's like square, it will have, no?
Whole square.
Exponent.
Exponent, yes, sir, exponent. Yeah, so make it power of, yes, I divided by pickup, divided by pickup. Yeah. Okay. Now add a comma.
1 second, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, you have to add one more parenthesis in the left side. Yes. In the left side, sir, after power, you can add one more parenthesis after power. Yeah. Yes, right. Now add comma. And what is this F6? No, J6. Huh? Okay, it is alpha. Yes, right, sir. Now, and minus 1. Just check the parenthesis. Is the formula correct one?
Yes, sir. Power of to the power. Yeah.
Okay, now you can keep your this one para open there. Now, okay. Lognathan sir, up to here, okay? Now
Can you
yes, sir.
once time in the highlightation of that time?
Time, yeah. Pinaki ji, open the time. Yeah, make it big. Make your screen bigger. Make the view bigger. Yeah, more.
This does not increase. This stays the same.
Oh, that does not increase. Okay. Okay. Lognathan sir and Naveen Kumar, please have a look. Why our friend Mr. What is his name? Krishna Kumar stays in Abu Dhabi, and today is a working day.
Okay, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Lognathan sir completed. Okay. Now, what you do, Pinaki ji, you now go to the current I down. Next row. Make it equal to. Yes, like that. Similarly, for pickup TMS, alpha, beta also you do like that. Yes, equal to, yes. And you can pull it down. Yes, sir. Now, for time, you just pull the cell down. The formula will get completed. That's it, sir. That's it. Okay. One small thing. Pinaki ji, come to this column G, the current I. Make the second one as 1.2. Now the second one, you hold the first and second together and pull it down. Yeah. Now you pull it down. Yes, sir. Okay. Now we'll do one thing. Instead of 1.2, make it 1.5. Yeah. Now you hold the first and second one and pull it down. Okay, up to 9 times current we have got. Okay. Can you add some more? Maybe up to 15. Let us get. Up to 15. Up to 15. Let us get. Okay, sir. Fine. This is fine. Okay. Now. Okay, now next is to plot the curve. So go up, take your column L and also choose your column I. Okay, L and I. Yeah, now you can, what is it? Insert command, yes. Scatter, yeah. Now, okay, let us now. Before you change that, go pick the data, sir. Right click on the curve and say select data. Can you say edit? Can you give the name of this as TCC? Okay. Now, what is your x-axis? Oh, okay. Hold on. What is your x-axis? Don't say okay. Say edit. Sir, say edit. What is your x-axis? What is it? G, column G, right?
G, yeah.
Column G is the current, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is your y-axis?
Called time.
Time. Okay. Now, column L is time, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Say okay. Say okay. So okay. Now, sir, you close this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Right click on this again. Okay. And change this one, sir, to logarithmic scale x-axis. You to format axis logarithmic scale. Okay. So now, okay. Now let us say, let me okay. Now you have to add a incomer feeder for it. Okay. Let us assume the incomer is 1 MVA transfer. Okay. So copy this entire thing down. Okay, now here this kilowatt you can change it to kVA. Yeah. Make it 1 MVA. Not 1 MVA, make it 1.6 MVA. 1.6 MVA. Okay, so what is the current? Answer
1.6 MVA, no, sir?
1.6. Okay, you got 2,700 amps.
Amps is 2792.
Okay.
20. This is the
Wha-
number of amps.
Okay, a 1.6 MVA transformer, what will be the 3000 amp CT, yeah?
Yeah, 3000 amp CT, sir.
Okay, make it 3000 amps. So, if what will be the pickup? 2992 into 1.1 divided by 3000.
0.99.
Did you multiply by 1.1?
Yeah. It already has 1.1 in it, sir.
Okay, sir, 0.997. So change your pickup setting to 0.997. Make it 0.99. Okay, 99 is okay. TMS is 1. Now here, okay, let me keep the curve same. Now, what is the this one here? Please open your this one, Pinakiji, that chart. Yeah, you can. Yeah, okay, that's great. You can put it down. What is the cell here? You just cell starts from 47 to where? Come down. 47 to
47 to 82.
82. Okay. Can you now add your curve here? Yeah. So the data. Say add. You can do one thing. Okay. Yeah. Do select range. That is also good. You can say select range. You can time. Yes.
X-axis.
Correct. You can say yes. Time. You x-axis is current.
Wait, sorry.
You are doing correctly. You select. You scroll it down actually. Yeah. You scroll it down. That's it. And y-axis. And please give the name as incomer. Edit again. Please edit and say incomer. Comma. Okay, okay, okay. Then you go up. Okay, now both are same, right? So we do one thing.
Almost.
Now between the incomer and outgoing, what is the coordination margin you want?
Almost none.
The coordination margin, let's say I want 300 millisecond. Okay, so so incomer feeder has to be above the outgoing feeder, right? So what
Yeah.
you do, increase the TMS, make it 1.2. Okay. But still, I think at the bottom it is hitting. Make it 1.3, make it 1.4, make it 1.5, make it 2. Now it's okay. Can you see at the last, what is the, this one? Who dropped out? Mr. Gaurav has dropped.
Loganathan
He's
dropped
there.
out. I admitted him
Oh,
back.
I think Loknathan sir is not there. Can you
But
see whether,
he tried to join. Let me call him. I admitted him back.
please check him, sir. Or I will call him because you are recording. Okay, call him. Or you can call him and ask him because you are the host
Yeah, no,
now.
1 second. He has lost his internet connection due to power cut. Trying to reconnect. He's dropped a message.
Okay, sir. Fine. You can continue.
Okay, sir.
Continue. Uh, okay. Now, let us take this 10, number 10. Number 10 means, let us say, 10 times your, 10 if there is a fault in the motor feeder, okay, what does this 10 correspond to? It is 10 times 250 amps, that is 2.5 kA.
Yeah,
Okay.
the free meeting will end in 10 minutes, sir. Okay.
No problem, sir. After that, we will again start. So now at 2.5 kA, what is this one? Can you
2.5
tell
K.
what is the operate? Yeah, no, means at this 10, no, the line 10. Can you keep your cursor there at the line 10, blue color, and see at 10, 10. Come down. There. Now what is this one there? No. What is the time operating time? No, you keep the cursor there. You will get it. Yeah, you keep it there. You will get it. Yeah. What is the time there? 10.3, comma 5.8. 5.8 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go up. Red one is how much? Red one is how much? 5.836. So you have 363, you have 360 millisecond difference, right?
Yeah.
Down how much it is? 5.8. Down how much? Blue one. Both are same.
No.
How come?
There are differences because the numbers are huge.
See, 1 second. We cannot, breaker cannot trip at 5 second. Okay.
You
So
cannot make out because the
your,
differences are very small. That's why, sir.
please reduce your TMS. Make it, make the TMS in the both one as 0.2 and one as 0.4. Make the incomer feeder as, make the outgoing feeder 0.1. Make incomer as 0.2. Okay, now you please see what is this one. Okay, this is 580 millisecond. What is the incomer?
That's also 580, sir, but the numbers are different.
Okay,
Like,
you do one thing. You make the TMS for incomer as 0.5. 0.5, not 5, 0.5. Now You see? You,
So
you,
0.29.
you click you on the 0.29, then the top one,
Sorry?
top orange one.
1.459.
Okay, instead of 0.5, make it 0.4 or 0.3. And now you check.
Upper one is 1.16, bottom one is
Make it
0.29.
make it 0.3 TMS. See what is the difference?
This is 0.875. It's also 0.875 now. We're getting
No. You keep the cursor. You zoom it and keep the cursor properly. You get the value. Oh, this is 0.89, and the numerator is how much?
0.875.
And sorry, the blue color one. Do one thing. You click that once.
0.8911.
No, this is 0.89, and what is the red orange one?
0.875.
How come? Yeah, that has to be more. It has to increase. You do one thing. You click it. You click it once. You click the curve, and now you keep. And now you remove the click, and again you keep. 0.89.
0.89.
Now you okay. Now you click the down, and then you keep.
0.29.
Okay, that is 0.3 approximately. What is the difference between 0.29 and 0.89?
0.6.
0.6. So there is 600 millisecond. That is okay. So this is how, now see here, we have to add the motor starting curve. Here we have to add the transformer damage curve. Here we have to add the cable I square T curve. If we add all that, it becomes complete. Okay. And like this is only for the one particular, feeder. Okay. So after this, you log in again. I will explain symmetrical component.
Okay, sir.
So one thing is you take up one exercise on your own. You do the coordination. Then anytime you can call me and ask your doubt. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'll stop recording. Then it has to save,
Yeah.
right? Once I stop recording?
It will save in your one temporary folder. You will get it will open and show the location where it has saved. You just WhatsApp that video or not WhatsApp. You send me by Google Drive.
Okay, sir. I'm stopping recording now.